Hang on.
G'day tubes, bit of welding tubes. Got to hold that over. I think that's great, isn't it, tubes? Oh, look at this tubes, freaking perfect weld. Look at this tubes. Look at this and tubes. Perfect weld tubes. How's that in tubes? Is that a good one or what tubes?
Good day, tubes. This is what my husband's made, and we've just painted it. I hope you like it, tubes. My husband just wanted me to show you, because my husband's got me painting this. I just hope it turns out okay on video. I'm going to take you around now. Take you all around what my husband's done. Take you all around the pallet forks. These are all the things my husband's made. I'm going to come around this side. There you go, tubes. It still needs a lot of painting. We just hope it works. I'm sorry about that, tubes. Might have caught my finger a bit. Well, hope you like it. Tricked you.